mad.
But you're a garden fairy.
Ironic, isn't it?
I can't help falling in love with you.
I'm going to try something new. Anyone that follows me from this video, I will go and follow you. Anyone that likes this video, I will go like 3 of yours. Anyone that comments a butterfly emoji, I will give them a shout.
Is a Popet. It's sawdust coated in gunpowder. But what happens when I take a bunch of the dust and make a big one? Alright, I've just emptied a bunch of Popets into this napkin. Now let's add some extra firepower from these sparklers for good luck. Alright, the sparkler dust is in there. It's time to twist it up and test it out. In 3, 2, 1...